Welcome to Art Magic. Today, we're going to draw a sweet little bunny popping out of an Easter egg. First, let's draw a big, round head for our bunny. Now, let's make our bunny come to life. Draw two big, round eyes. Make it nice and smooth, just like a fluffy cotton ball. Now, let's add two big bunny ears on top. Now, let's give our bunny some tiny paws. Draw two little curves resting on the edge of the egg, like he's peeking out and saying, "Hello." Make a big oval shape below the bunny. Now, let's add a cracked, zigzag line on top. This is where the bunny broke through. Let's make our egg super fancy. Add zigzag lines, wavy stripes, and tiny circles to make it colorful and fun. Our drawing is looking so adorable. And why not draw another full egg beside it? Time to draw the Easter egg. First, make a big oval shape below the bunny. Now, let's add a cracked, zigzag line on top. Perfect! Let's make our egg super fancy. Add zigzag lines, wavy stripes, and tiny circles to make it colorful and fun. And don't forget tiny eggshell pieces on the ground. Let's add some little hearts around the bunny, because we love how cute it is. Now, let's grab our crayons and make it super colorful. For bunny, let's use light cream or pale yellow. For ears we can use soft pink, eyes are black with white highlights, Easter egg use yellow with blue, pink, and orange decorations, or you can use whatever you want to. Wow! Your bunny looks amazing. Make sure to color inside the lines. But hey, if you go outside a little, that's okay too. It's your masterpiece. You did it, little artist. You created the cutest Easter bunny ever. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you next time for another fun drawing adventure. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.